Hi dolls! Welcome back to my channel. Today, you've probably seen this look na. Yes, I filmed the Mother's Day na glam look just now. It's just that I thought I'd just open this package up na. This has been waiting. Ang tagal na niya. Parang magto 2 weeks na yata. So, I thought na i-unbox ko na rin since we're already here. We're all set up. Diba? Sayang naman yung time and everything. So, let's open this baby up. This is from BeautyMNL. Kay BeautyMNL ako madalas bumibili ng mga stash ko. So, ito siya. Came in like this. It's so cute. Love BeautyMNL. And then, it has this right here that says, "Caution may cause delight." And I'm sure it will. Although this is cute na haul lang, as in. Kasi yung mga basic needs ko lang naman talaga yung kinuha ko for this package. So, it's nothing really super special. But I just wanted to share with you guys. Kasi this package has my upcoming skincare. So, let's open it up. When you open it up, ayan siya. My cute little card, and it says, "Aww," it says, "Trust that things will fall into place." So cute. I have a code. Sayang, kakabili ko lang ulit ng package from BeautyMNL. Hindi ko nakita ito. But anyway, ayan siya. It's so cute. With tiny, what I like about it, I do hope na recycle tong mga to. So, diba, kaysa bubble wrap, ito ang gamit nila for their packaging. And let's dig in and find our items. Ito muna. Ayoko matapon siya sa desk ko. But, first, this one. This one is from Nature Republic. So, merong ganito, but then meron pa rin bubble wrap. But at least they don't have to use so much ang bubble wrap. Diba? Makakasyon pa rin yung items. There's all this shredded paper. Tape. So, this is Nature Republic na aloe vera. I use it for whichever. Yan. And it's very good. Since gumamit ako ng Nature Republic, medyo nagustuhan ko na siya. So, ito na binibili ko. I use it as moisturizer before, pero I switched to St. Ives na moisturizer. Let's see if meron pa akong mga makikitang moisturizer na pwede natin i-test. Alright, so, ito na yung iba. And yun nga, mini haul lang naman to. Nothing major na purchase. Just wanted to share because this video right here, as you can see, will also, I will also give my thoughts on the Innisfree green tea set. First na dito is Innisfree mask. And siya, honey, manuka honey. Just thought I'd give myself some pampering that it needs. Next, I wanted to try CoverGirl. Mukha siyang dry. Mukhang dry. it's weird that it looks dry. I don't know what happened. Oh no! Yeah, it looks so dry. Parang hindi ako na-delay sa part na yun. Pero yung mga package ko naman before from BeautyMNL is good. Not sure lang what happened here, but maybe it just needs a little shake. And yeah, we'll try and make it work. But yun, I just wanted to try this foundation, so you will see this on the next videos. And then, next one, ito, naisipan ko lang bumili ng lip tint kasi na-realize ko wala pala akong lip tint sa kit ko. So, I thought I'd buy lang to try. Okay, and I got bread. Ito nga ba yung name nun? Well, it says bread. Ito mukha namang intact. Hindi naman siya, wala siyang leak or anything. So, that's good. Ito lang. Medyo ganun. Then, ayan. Ito, abangan nyo. Kasi, although magkukwenta pa naman ako on the video, but yun, I'm just excited for this one. Brows. So, and then, ito na nga. Kasi, I'm I'm looking for magiging skincare ko. Sorry, may nasipa ako. I'm looking for magiging skincare ko. I started with green tea na set. I'm so glad that Innisfree have this small na packages para matatry mo nga yung mga items nila. Kasi nga, I'm kinda new. Hindi naman new, pero I was not taking my skincare routine seriously. Yun, so ito, medyo nag-start na ako. Kaya, sinubukan ko tong set na to, the green tea balancing something set. Yan, i-ano ko na lang kung ano yung tawag talaga sa kanya. So, ito yung tinry ko. Kita nyo naman, sobrang paubos na siya. So, just about time na bumili ako ng bagong set. Itong set na to, I'm gonna say that it's really hydrating. In fairness, na-hydrate naman talaga yung balat ko. It's just that, ang target ko sana is, kasi nagka-breakout ako at some point last year. So, ang dami kong blemishes dito. May breakout ako dito sa part na to. So, gusto ko siyang kumalma. And I believe that green tea can help na, yun nga, kumalma yung kung ano yung nangyayari sa skin ko. What I can say is that this set help na ma-hydrate yung balat ko, but the effect na hinahanap ko talaga sana hindi ko na-achieve sa kanya. But yun nga, ang hydrating nga, in fairness, I'm gonna give it to this product. It's really hydrating. Ayun. So I am moving on to my next experiment. I'm moving on to my next set. Ito sana, pero kasi baka mali na naman yung kinuha kong product. Kasi this one is the Prefect 9 Repair Special Kit. This one naman, more of anti-aging. Siguro back then, when I saw this, parang sabi ko, why not give it a try, diba? Siguro, yun yung mga point na hindi sobrang galit yung balat ko. So, I thought maybe I'd move to anti-aging naman. Pero yun, again, meron pa rin akong breakout na gusto ko sanang ma-address. So, let's see kung may iba akong pwedeng gawin to address that. Baka, most likely, ang isusunod kong product is the brightening pore set. If hindi pa rin nito ma-adjust yung hinahanap ko. But then again, maybe it's my fault. Pumili ako ng anti-aging when ang hinahanap ko is ng mga, ng pores ko. ano yun, yung para mag-minimize ng pores, magkakalma ng mga chedeline ko dito. Ayun, so maybe that's on me. But let's see, baka maging okay naman siya. Again, itong si green tea, okay naman siya. Ano lang talaga, not the effect that I'm really looking for. You know, sobrang gamit na yan. Ano to, in fairness, sobrang liit niya, but it lasted me for a month. And it's still alive. Ito nga lang, ito, paubos na. Kasi ano lang to, 10 ml lang. Ayan na lang siya. Ayun, so really about time na bumili na ako ng bago. And again, I'm so glad na may maliliit sila na mga set para matatry ko. Hindi ko kailangan bumili ng isang buo tapos hindi pala okay sa akin. Eh magkano din yung mga malalaki nila, as in 1,000 something. So I'm really glad for the small kits that they have, and I'll let you know if this works for me, if I'm gonna stay with this or I'm gonna move on to the brightening pore set. If not, I don't know kung ano nang in-next ko, baka kills, I'm not sure, but yun, I'm really glad na meron silang maliliit para natatry ko. Yun lang. So, yun yung mga binili ko sa BeautyMNL for now. Again, it's just a small haul. And it's just those that I would really need na and gagamitin ko. Ayun lang. I just wanted to share. And I'm excited for this one. Uubusin ko lang to, ha. Ubusin ko lang kasi sayang. Ayun. So, baka gagamitin ko to in the next week or so. And then, yun nga. Ito lang. Medyo naguluhan ako bakit siya dry. Ayan. This one, sa loob niya, basically, almost similar sila ng, ng paandar. Ganito rin yung lalagyan ni green tea. Naka-box din siya na cute. And then, ayan, ganyan din. Similar lang na items. I think similar na sizes. Yep, 10 ml. Yep, mga similar sizes lang din. So, ito na. Ito na ang isusunod ko. Thank you, dolls, for watching, and I hope to see you on the next video. Bye, doll!